Financial emergency provisions of the Indian Constitution have been borrowed from. Answer: Constitution of Germany. Who is the responsible for the construction of the Red Fort? Answer: Shah Jahan. In which article is President rule mentioned in India? Answer: Article 356. Which of the following was Aurangzeb's skill in playing a musical instrument? Answer: Veena. What is the period of Secretary General in United Nations? Answer: 5 years. What is the fastest growing renewable energy in the world? Answer: solar power. Which place is known as cyclone capital of India? Answer: Sundarbans. Suez Canal connects Mediterranean Sea through Red Sea with which ocean? Answer: Indian Ocean. Vijay Ghat is the memorial of which of the following Indian freedom fighters? Answer: Lal Bahadur Shastri. The tomb of Mahatma Gandhi is? Answer: Rajghat. D. Gukesh is related to which sport? Answer: chess. Which musical instrument is played by Zakir Hussain? Answer: tabla. Who among the following took Mahatma Gandhi's gain in the Gandhi-Irwin Pact as consolation prize? Answer: Alan Campbell Johnson. Under which article national emergency can be declared in India? Answer: Article 352. What day is National Women's Day celebrated in India? Answer: 13th February. Who conducted the Grand Delhi Darbar in 1877? Answer: Lord Lytton. Who is known as the father of communal electorate in India? Answer: Lord Minto. The Indian Councils Act 1909 is known as? Answer: Minto-Morley reforms. When was the Hindustan Republican Association formed? Answer: 1924. Only one thing that is my dream, a golden dream, the dream of free India, is the slogan of which of the following persons? Answer: Surya Sen. In which city was the first golf club of India situated? Answer: Kolkata. Who among the following devised the system of subsidiary alliance? Answer: Lord Wellesley. Who was the founder of the Prarthana Samaj? Answer: Atmaram Pandurang. Where is the headquarters of the Board of Control for Cricket in India located? Answer: Mumbai. In which state is Sankhken festival celebrated? Answer: Arunachal Pradesh. Which is the first state to start rainwater harvesting? Answer: Tamil Nadu. Which northeast state does not share borders with Myanmar? Answer: Meghalaya. Bharatnatyam dance is associated with which of the following states? Answer: Tamil Nadu. On which of the following dates does India celebrate its Constitution Day? Answer: 26th November. Mahendra Barman first was the ruler of which of the following dynasties? Answer: Pallava.